OnePlus is making a significant move into the smartwatch industry with the upcoming OnePlus Watch 3 marking its evolution from a smartphone-centric brand to a versatile tech player. Having previously dipped its toes into wearables, this new model is set to elevate the brand's presence. Anticipated features promise to enhance user experience, positioning OnePlus to compete fiercely against established giants like Apple and Samsung, making this launch a pivotal moment in the smartwatch market. The feedback on the OnePlus Watch 2 highlighted several shortcomings, notably the absence of LTE connectivity and limited health tracking features, which disappointed many users. This constructive criticism has significantly influenced the development of the OnePlus Watch 3 as the company actively engaged with the community to understand their needs. OnePlus is committed to enhancing user experience, ensuring that the Watch 3 addresses past critiques and incorporates features that align with consumer expectations. The OnePlus Watch 3 is set to impress with several exciting new features and upgrades. Notably, it will introduce LTE connectivity and eSIM capabilities, allowing for greater independence from smartphones. Design changes include a revamped bezel and an improved button layout for enhanced usability. Additionally, users can anticipate significant upgrades in battery life and software performance, ensuring a smoother experience and longer usage times, making the OnePlus Watch 3 a compelling choice for smartwatch enthusiasts. The OnePlus Watch 3 retains the circular face and dual button setup that characterized its predecessor, ensuring familiarity for users. However, it introduces a striking new diamond cut pattern on the silicone strap, enhancing both aesthetics and grip. Additionally, the tech-inspired dial contributes to a sportier look, appealing to active users. These design elements collectively elevate the overall appearance of the OnePlus Watch 3, making it a stylish yet functional accessory for everyday wear. The OnePlus Watch 3 is expected to leverage Wear OS, providing users with a familiar and seamless Android experience. Rumors suggest it will be powered by the upgraded Snapdragon Wear W's 5 Gen 2 processor, promising significant enhancements in performance and efficiency. These upgrades are likely to result in faster app launches, smoother navigation, and improved battery management, ensuring that users enjoy a responsive and reliable smartwatch experience tailored to their daily needs and activities. The OnePlus Watch 3 is currently undergoing certification, with various leaks hinting at its features and specifications. However, insider speculation suggests there may be potential delays in its release, which has left fans eager yet uncertain. As the launch timeline remains fluid, it's essential for viewers to stay updated on any announcements from OnePlus regarding the watch's availability. Keeping an eye on official channels will ensure you don't miss out on this exciting release. The OnePlus Watch 2 stands out as a budget-friendly option, offering solid features like fitness tracking, heart rate monitoring, and a sleek design at an accessible price point. For those eager to explore smartwatch capabilities without breaking the bank, the Watch 2 is a great choice. Currently, there are several deals and promotions available online, making it even more appealing. While waiting for the OnePlus Watch 3, consider the Watch 2 as a practical alternative. In summary, the OnePlus Watch 3 promises exciting features and improvements, including LTE connectivity, a sleek design, and enhanced performance with Wear OS. Staying connected with our channel is crucial for the latest updates on this highly anticipated release. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might be interested. Your engagement helps us continue providing valuable content and insights into the world of tech. Until the next video,